Hey guys, let's go to problem 30, okay? Problem 30, now here we go. We have 212 x squared and y cubed. 212 x squared and y cubed, okay? And I'm adding up with 159, right? So 159 x times y to the power of 5. And this can be factorized. And if I factorize this, well, I got to have some common factors. So if you compare those x's and y's, x's and x, well, the least exponent that you can find, the smaller exponent is just going to be 1. What about the exponent of y to the power of 3 and y to the power of 5? You can actually find it as 3, okay? So we get something like x to the power of 1 and y to the power of 3, but the harder part begins when I have to find out the common factor, the greatest common divisor of 212 and 159. And thankfully, I know that 212 is supposed to be something like 53 times 4, and I know that 159 is supposed to be 53 times 3. So 4 and 3 are relatively prime, and I know that 53 is supposed to be something that is common to both. So I would say 53 out there, and normally we write down the remaining terms. So we got remaining terms of 4, the number 4, and what about the expressions of x and y? There's one x that's remaining, so I would write to say, I can write it as 4x. What about something like, like some number that I need to write it down on this part, so that when it gets multiplied with 53xy cubed, when do we get 159xy cubed, y to the power of 5? I would say, well, I need to write it 3, okay? I need to write it 3. And what about x to the power 1 already exists? I got to say y to the power of 2, and that shall be it, all right? So what were we really asking us? The question was asking us to find out the exact value of a. So I would say a is supposed to be just 53, and that shall be it.